How to use Amazon gift card. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use an Amazon gift card. If you have the physical gift card, then locate the claim code on the back of your card first, and then you will need to go to the official website of Amazon. There you will need to redeem a gift card. First of all, open any web browser and in the search bar type in amazon.com. Now search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Amazon. Here ensure that you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Now here, click on these three horizontal bars at the top left corner of your screen, and then this will open the sidebar. From here, you will need to scroll down and select this gift cards option. Once you click on it, now you'll be able to access this sidebar. Here at the bottom, you'll be able to see redeem a gift card option. Simply click on it, and now you will need to locate the claim code on the back of your card if you have the physical gift card, and then enter the code in this field. After entering the code, click on this apply to your balance, and after that you will be able to redeem this gift card. Now the gift card balance will be applied to your Amazon account and you will be able to use it for purchase including shipping charge. During the checkout, the balance from your Amazon gift card will be automatically applied to your order. And if you have the gift card code and would like to use while checkout, then you may also click on this card option at the top right corner of your screen. Here select the product that you would like to purchase and then click on proceed to checkout option at the top right. By doing so, you will be taken to this checkout section. Here you will be able to see enter a gift card voucher or promotional code. You may also add the gift card code here, and after that click on this apply button in order to apply this code. Also, if you have a Visa gift card, then you will be able to add it as a payment method. For that, you will need to return back to the home page. Here click on account and list option at the top right, and then from here you will need to select your payments option, and then you will be taken to this page. Here now, you will need to click on this add a payment method, and from here select add a credit or debit card, and then here you will need to enter the details of your Visa debit card. Use the card's number, expiration date, name as it appears on the card, and your security code. After that, you will be also able to link your card with your bank and then click on this add your card. By doing this, you'll be able to add your Visa gift card which you can use while checking out in Amazon. So by following these steps, you should be able to use Amazon gift card. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.